Today I am reviewing the MSI Katana 15HX gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the Intel Core i9-14900HX processor. This is a 14th generation powerhouse designed for extreme performance. With multiple high-performance cores and blazing clock speeds, the i9-14900HX delivers unmatched responsiveness whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking across demanding applications. This processor ensures your system stays snappy and lag-free, even under heavy loads. Paired with this impressive CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 laptop GPU. This graphics card supports the latest technologies like ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics, giving you realistic lighting, shadows, and textures. The RTX 5070 delivers smooth frame rates on modern games at high settings, making sure you get the most immersive and visually stunning experience possible on a portable device. Now, visuals matter a lot in gaming, and MSI knows it. The Katana 15HX comes with a 15.6-inch QHD Plus display that runs at a smooth 165Hz refresh rate. This means you get crisp, vibrant colors and sharper images thanks to the QHD Plus resolution, combined with ultra-smooth motion during gameplay thanks to the high refresh rate. Whether you're aiming at targets or exploring detailed environments, every frame feels fluid and responsive. Performance isn't just about raw power, thermal management is key. That's where MSI's Cooler Boost 5 technology comes in. This advanced cooling system features multiple fans and heat pipes to keep temperatures low and performance high, even during marathon gaming sessions. You won't have to worry about thermal throttling or uncomfortable heat on your lap, allowing you to game longer and more comfortably. Let's talk memory and storage. The Katana 15HX is equipped with 32GB of DDR5 RAM, the latest generation memory that's fast and efficient. This ample RAM size means you can keep many applications and browser tabs open alongside your game without any slowdowns. The laptop also houses a 1TB NVMe SSD, which loads your games, software, and operating system lightning fast. Say goodbye to long wait times and hello to instant loading and seamless multitasking. The keyboard is another highlight. MSI outfitted this gaming laptop with a RGB backlit keyboard, customizable to your preferred lighting effects. This not only enhances the aesthetics, but also improves key visibility during late-night gaming. The keyboard has solid key travel and responsiveness, which is great for fast-paced gameplay and typing alike. In terms of software, the laptop comes preloaded with Windows 11 Home, which provides a smooth, user-friendly interface optimized for gaming and everyday use. MSI does recommend Windows 11 Pro if you plan to use the machine for business or professional environments, but for gaming, Windows 11 Home works great. Connectivity is not left behind. You get all the essential ports for external displays, gaming peripherals, and fast networking. Whether you want to hook up a headset, mouse, or additional monitors, the Katana 15HX has you covered. In summary, the MSI Katana 15HX 15.6-inch gaming laptop is an exceptional machine for gamers who want the perfect balance of power, speed, and stunning visuals in a portable form factor. The combination of the 14th Gen Intel Core i9 processor, RTX 5070 graphics, a fast and sharp QHD plus 165Hz display, and efficient cooling make it an ideal companion for both casual and hardcore gamers. If you're ready to experience high-end gaming performance on the go without compromise, the MSI Katana 15HX is definitely worth a close look.